Start recording. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Good evening, friends. I am N Venkataraman, the inventor of INFLAPRO, the inflation protected return on investment. The topic for today is same as the last one, but a detailed one, is MIS Guiding Series 05, the NPS National Pension System, Tier II Accounting and Investment Solutions. So with NPS Tier II, we can build a corpus of 7.16 crore with a starting investment of rupees 13,100 per month only, according to systematic INFLAPRO investment plan. It is a do-it-yourself plan. The withdrawals is rupees 37.33 crore and maturity is 78.47 crore. Let us see how is it possible. Here is the screenshot of menu of my combo plan calculations. In this menu of combo plan of systematic INFLAPRO investment plan and systematic INFLAPRO withdrawal plan. The desired pension per month has been taken as 35,000 rupees per month at the current value. That is, current year we have assumed that a retired couple at 2022 require for their subsistence, this amount 35,000 rupees per month is the required amount for subsistence. The required pension of 30 years hence, that is at the age of 60 of the annuitant, are based on this. Rate of interest, that is IRR, rate of interest, during the corpus building time is 11.7%. This also we have seen how is possible in this Tier II of the NPS. For detailed discussion on what is NPS, National Pension System, what is the Tier 1, what is Tier 2, what is the allocation, and so on and so forth, you have to refer to some YouTuber's video or the website of NSDL itself. And after retirement, during the retirement life, the rate of interest is taken as 9.2%. The entry age is 30. This is filled up. Retirement age, let us take it at 60. And expectancy of life, that is, life expectancy is 100 years. Let us try for the maximum. The choice year is 70. It is calculated from 100 life expectancy minus current age 30, or 30 years premium paying term plus 40 years retired life, that is 70. Keep the toggle of this auto is on now. This can be auto is on now or auto off. Non-auto. This automatic means we are going to calculate the growth after taking out the pension, growth of the principal at an automatic calculation as with respect to the inflation which you are going to provide at the bottom. Inflation protection is 6% at age 30, and leave the table below at the blank, and it will be taken as ditto 6% up to 100 years. The frequency is shown here as monthly. We can select monthly, quarterly, half yearly, etc. This yearly, monthly, half yearly, quarterly, or so on. Then there is a column post retirement immediate off. This requires this immediate post retire immediate off. Immediate payout is on or off. Off means off. This requires a little bit of explanation. This is the immediate payout. Immediate payout off. Off is the normal convention. Anyhow, let us see how it is. In LIC and other pension schemes, the immediate payout means the pension starts at the end of the first month or first year, as the case may be, and subsequent are at the end of every month or every year, as the case may be. Depending on you have selected a monthly payout or this. In case of monthly payout, the payout starts after 1 month. If it is immediate on, payout starts at the date of the policy itself, date of the vesting date. Let us see. In computer terminology, or as I have considered in my programs, immediate on means the first installment of on the date of the policy itself. That is that on the purchase date, that is vesting date itself. Off means payout after the vesting date at the end of the first month in case of monthly. It is after 1 year in case of yearly payouts, yearly annuity. I can put it with a date reference. Let us say we have taken NPS Tier II at the start of 1st January 2023, and vesting date is 1st January 2053, and the pension policy is also taken on the vesting date. And if I call it immediate pension, if the pension starts on the vesting date itself, otherwise it is off. Off means 31st January 2053. 1st January 2053 is the vesting date or the pension purchase policy purchase date, and 31st January or 1st February 2053 means the first 53 as the first installment means the immediate payment is off. In all organized sectors, off is the default. Okay. Let us keep all other parameters, like here what is your audit toggle and single premium, organized sector, etc. All this we let us keep it as a default. With this much information, let us go to the web demo and explain the outcome. Okay, let us go to my website bnvenkat.com, look for the link inflow combo plan. That is combo INFLAPRO effect of combined RD and FD. RD and FD means investment plan as well as withdrawal plan. Clicker. Yes. Let us keep this desired pension per month at current level as 35,000 rupees per month, and rate of interest is 11.7% during corpus building time, and rate of interest at the retirement period is 9.2%. Current age of the annuitant is 30 years and retirement age is 60. Let the life expected life be 100. Let us take the maximum, and choice year will become 70 now. The choice year is the automatic field. 100 minus 30 becomes 70, and we will take alternate on. This field growth percentage will be worked out later depending on our inflation protection. Inflation protection is 6%. We enter at 30. All others blank means ditto, same 6%, and up to 100 years, this is up to 19 years, up to 70 year policy period, then it is submit. Yes, we have come across the investment amount monthly. Monthly investment in the first year, that is 30th age, is 13,100 and per month, and into 12. Our investment will be for 12 months of the first year at 13,100. Then at 31st year, that is in the first year of the policy, is 13,900, and subsequent year 14,700, and so on, 14,700 into 12 months, and so on. And in the 60th year, that is 59th year, 30 years of the 30th year of the investment, it is 71,000 rupees per month into 12 installments. And then next year, 60th year end onwards, one can start receiving the annuity or pension at the rate of 2.01 lakh into 12 months for the first year. Then during the second year of the retirement life, 2.13, third year, like this, inflation protected. See, this 2.01 lakh, 2.13 lakh, 2.25 lakh, etc., and in the 99th year end, it is 19.51 lakh per month. All these are equivalent to 35,000 rupees per month of the current value, current year, so 2022. Similarly, the investment is correspond to 13,100 of the current value. Okay. Then there is a maturity value. The corpus what we built up was 7 crore 16 lakhs, and the surrender value or maturity value at the end of 100th year is 78 crore 47 lakh. The RD table is also given here. It is calculated. It shows how the corpus is getting built up month by month, and also the withdrawal. See, also the retirement, during the retirement, how we withdraw. We can withdraw 2.1 lakhs in the first month of the retirement plan and continue for the 12 months. Then second month onwards, we increase our withdrawal pension to cater to 6% inflation, and at the same time, the growth is also the increasing. This is the closing balance or for fund value as per the NVB, etc. This also increases, and let us see the summary. Summary goes like this: SIP is 13,100 to 71,000 rupees per month, and the total investment would have been 1.24 crore, and the corpus generated for this 1.24 investment is 7.16 crore, and systematic withdrawal plan comes to 37.33 crore. Maturity is 78.47 crore, and gross, the total of all this, total of these withdrawal and maturity is 115 crore, and there is a taxation 13 crore or 13 lakhs, etc. And taxation calculation is also available. We can see this and we can hide it also. Now, we will see one more interesting thing. Let us see the same calculation in another one, and we will see how we can recycle the maturity fund of 78 crore. Now, let us consider this exact value of this 7.16 crore corpus fund, and let us take it into another program. See, this is forward SWP SWP, Info FD and others. This forward program in systematic withdrawal plan only, we take it and fill up the corpus fund as the principal. 7.16 crore corpus, we take it as a principal, and rate of interest we have considered is 9.2% during the retirement period. Inflation percent we have considered as 6%, and a choice year is 40 years of retirement, 60 to 100. Then let us take this auto on. See, there is non-auto and there is auto on. We will calculate the maturity value automatically as per this percentage 6%, and immediate pension of, let us take monthly. Monthly figure is, as we have seen already, the same figure is worked out here, 2.01 lakh per month in the first year, and in 40th year 19.51 lakh, and the maturity after withdrawal is 78.47. Let us recycle it. If we recycle it in the next 40 years, that is, the next generation after 40 years of retirement, next nominee can get for another next 48 years. See, we had a 19.51 lakh in the 40th year pension. Now 41st year pension would be 22.02. That is, it is increasing from the previous value. It is continuously increasing, and it is 2.13 crore per month in the next 40 year. That is at the 80th year of the startup pension. Then the corpus, the maturity at or certain value at that 40 year, that is 80th year, is 859, or the original annual return would have been 140 years now. For that time, the $859 is the 1559 crore is the next cycle. We can recycle it further. See, last pension was 2.13 crore, and the next pension would be further 2.41 crore and so on. Like this, it endlessly, if we recycle it, endlessly this fund can grow from generation to generation. Yes, this is quite practicable. What all is required is do it yourself. And systematic investment plan, you make investment at the rate of 13,100 into 12 months for the first year, 13,800 for the second year, and so on. 71,000 in the 30th year of the policy term, that is at 49 years of age of the annuitant, and subsequently one can go on getting their pensions from generation to generation. We can see backers here. First corpus generated by the saving was 7.16 crore, and one can start reaping the investment, reaping the investment at the withdrawal from 2.01 lakh, and it is ever increasing. Okay. We should keep it in mind, just like 13,100 is the current investment and 71,000 rupees per month is the 30th year investment. All are equivalent to same 13,100, and similarly this 2.01, 2.13, etc. going up to 19.51 lakh in the 40 year of retirement. There is the 100th year of the annuitant. All are just equivalent to 35,000 rupees of the current month, current value, current year. 35,000 rupees per month of the current year 2022. Similarly, this maturity plan, maturity corpus amount 7.16 crore or maturity amount of 78.4 crore in 40th year, or 859 crore in further 40 years ahead, and so on. All are just equivalent to 1.26 crore, 1 crore 26 lakhs of the current year. Current year, if you invest this 1,26,000 rupees, you can get 35,000 rupees per month plus growth. Okay. Let me close it. Okay. Okay. We have seen how we can generate how we can invest in NPS Tier II and withdraw at the end of 30th year, that is at the age of 60, and one has to totally withdraw the total amount of from the Tier II account and invest in some other mutual fund, not necessarily the NPS. NPS does not give you pension. It only builds the fund, and the pension you have to take from one of the 7 fund managers earlier, or the new one, Tata Pension Management Fund, Tata Pension Management Limited. That is also a new entrant. Therefore, out of the 8 fund managers, you can select the pension plan. That pension plan will give you only 6%, will not give you this 9.2%. Therefore, you have to invest that amount in Tier 2 amount. You can invest, you can withdraw redeem the full amount of the fund value and invest in some other mutual fund. And we should generate 9.2% of the return of interest, 9.2% IRR. Then only it is possible to achieve this sort of pension. Okay, let me close it. That's all for today, and I am going on tour for next 2 weeks, and therefore there will not be any post in this video, any post of this video. Therefore, we will see after 2-3 weeks. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Thank you very much. Let me close it.